A lot of sites use third-party resources for analytics, social media integrations, or marketing scripts. But using third-party scripts like this can affect performance, create security and privacy concerns, and overall just have a worse developer experience. There's a new project built by the Nuxt core team in collaboration with the Chrome Aurora team that aims to fix this. Nuxt scripts. And the best way to describe this is it makes working with third-party scripts more Nuxty. It gives us a few new ways to load third-party resources, and by default won't load any scripts until Nuxt is fully hydrated, which is better for performance. And it also sets certain attributes on your script tags for smarter defaults. For example, loading scripts asynchronously and setting cross-origin to anonymous. It also comes with features like consent management and bundling third-party scripts to improve your app's security and users' privacy. And then one of the most useful things is the script registry, which contains out-of-the-box composables and placeholder components for popular tools. Let's take a look at Nuxt scripts and try to add a YouTube video to our app. The way that I would usually do this is go to the video, hit share, yoink the embed code, paste into our page, and then we're done. But in Nuxt scripts, we get a script YouTube player component where we pass the video ID, and then we can customize our placeholder UI. So clearly these are different. One is the full YouTube iframe, and the other one is a div with a thumbnail and then whatever UI we set. And if we go to the network tab and look at third-party requests, there's also a difference there. Since this one already loaded the iframe, we can see that we're making a couple requests to Google and YouTube APIs. But this side doesn't make any of those requests. It gets a thumbnail and renders our placeholder during SSR, and then only loads the iframe once we actually click inside this div. By delaying these scripts and only loading them when they're needed, we can improve that initial page load and render. There's also more ways to control when scripts load, so I'll leave a link to those docs down below. So the performance looks good, and the initial numbers from the Nuxt scripts page look promising, but it's just one of the reasons to try out this library. The tools available in the script registry have a great developer experience, letting you use third-party scripts with full type safety. And there's even more features that can improve your app's privacy and security. For example, a lot of third-party scripts require user consent, and Nuxt scripts has this built into a couple composables. It also gives you the option to bundle third-party scripts into your own app. This can help performance since your app doesn't have to connect to another server, but it can also improve the safety and privacy of your app. For example, let's say you're loading an analytics script from someone else's server. If something happens, like they get hacked and someone replaces this file with a malicious JavaScript file, visitors on your site will be getting the bad code. But with uScript, we can bundle them during the build process, and then they'll be served as a public asset that we're hosting. So now in the deployed app, instead of going out to a third-party service, it'll be loaded off our servers. So if this sounds cool to you, click the link in the description. It'll take you to the Nuxt scripts intro tutorial where you set something up yourself, and let me know what you think down below.